Welcome to Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Piqua, Ohio. Today we are looking at a 2019 Ram 4500 commercial vehicle. This has been upfitted with a Redding service body. As we take a look at this Ram, this does have the 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel, as well as the upgraded 6-speed Aisin transmission automatic. Does have the chrome appearance package. That gets you the big chrome grille, chrome bumpers, the chrome wheels. Now this is geared with a 4.44 axle ratio. It is a dually, so you have dual rear wheels in the back. Go ahead and take a look inside here. It has our heavy duty vinyl seats. Has power and heated trailer tow mirrors. Of course, you have your power windows, power mirrors, power locks. You have your vinyl flooring instead of carpet. This is equipped with the 5-inch Uconnect touch screen display. In the center console here, you do have your USB charging, as well as a little coin slot. And this is a bench seat up front. As we move down the center control stack, you have your climate control, all your different auxiliary inputs that you can put that. You can hook up different lights and everything to the auxiliary. Factory trailer brake control. This does have the max tow package equipped. Right below that, you have 2 more USB charging points, as well as 2 USB Type-C for quick charge, and a 3.5 millimeter auxiliary input. You have your driver's information screen right there in the gauge cluster. On the steering wheel, this controls the driver's information, so you can find all the information there. Fuel range, your trip odometer, your boost gauge, things like that. Hands-free right above there. Other side, you have your cruise control. Let's see, column gear shift. Very nice, good work truck. Now this is an 11-foot aluminum Redding Classic 2 service body. It does have the Latch-Matic power latches. Take a look inside. It's equipped with automatic LEDs on every compartment. There's aluminum shelving that can be arranged however you'd like. Nice and deep storage compartments. Go ahead and take a look at these other ones. And the big cabinet there on the end. So a ton of storage for your tools, equipment, different materials you may need out on the job. Has LED brake lights and reverse lights. This is equipped with a 20,000-pound trailer hitch, as well as your 8-pin trailer connection. Like I said, this is an 11-foot service body, so plenty of room to pick up materials, or if you need to put a generator installed, a fuel tank. There are floor tie downs in the back there, as well as LED lighting in the bed. This is the Redding Classic 2 service body. Chrome wheels look really nice on here. 2019 Ram 4500, the 6.7 turbo diesel. All upfitted, ready to go out on the job site. We have many service vehicles here, or commercial vehicles here on the lot with an upfit set ready to go. So if you're in need of a new truck, why wait the 4 to 6 months it takes to order a truck, order a body, have the body installed? We have them pre-built here on the lot, on the ground, ready to go. You can come down and see us here at Paul Sherry. We'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.